Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you Jamaican plantain fritters. Here are our ingredients what we're going to be using today. We've got plantains, we've got some vanilla, we've got brown sugar, some salt and some plain flour, nutmeg and cooking oil. So I'm just going to move these over to one side and then we'll get right on with it. If you haven't liked any of our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Right, so we've got our plantains. So we're just going to peel these off. Make sure your plantains are ripe or nearly ripe. So we've got our 3 plantains in there. Then we're going to just use a fork and then we're just going to crush this out. Or if you want to, you can just drop this in a blender and blend it out if you want it more smoother. So when I've done this, we'll get back to you. Right, so we've nearly got this to where we want it. Don't matter if it's a bit lumpy, because you don't really want it to crush out too much. To that, I'm going to add our salt. And I'm going to add our brown sugar. Then I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg in there. So that's our nutmeg. Then I'm going to put some vanilla in there. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in there. Then I'm going to just mix this in. And I'm going to start to mix our flour in as well. Just add the flour in little by little. And we're going to put a little bit of water until we get into the consistency what we want it. Right, so we've got it near to the consistency what we want it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put on our frying pan. I'm just going to line that with some cooking oil. So we'll get back to you when we're ready to put them into the frying pan. Right, so we've got our mixture to the consistency what we want it at, and we've got our oil heating up, so we're just going to put them into the oil to fry. So you can make these whatever size you want them. So that's our first batch going in. You can let these fry until when they turn golden brown. Right, so we're just going to quickly turn these over now. As you can see, they're nice and golden brown. So that's our first turnover. Right, we're just going to turn these over again. As you can see, they've got a nice golden brown colour to them. But you don't want them too brown. So I'm just going to leave these for about a minute or so, and then I'm going to take out this batch and put in another lot. Remember, if you haven't liked our video, to like, share and subscribe. And if you would like to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. So we're going to take these ones out now. So just pile them up, put them on top of each other to let some of the oil go down. So I'm just going to put them on some greaseproof paper and some kitchen paper. So we're going to put in our next batch now. Right, so that's our second batch gone in. Right, so we're just going to flip these over now. And we're just going to let those brown off. Right, we're just going to turn these over again. Give them their final colouring. They'll just need another couple of minutes. Right, so we're just going to take these ones out now. I've just got a little bit more left in my bowl, so I'm just going to put that in. So that's our last bit of it going in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to plate up and show you how it looks. Right, so this is our finished article on the plate. Our plantain fritters with some avocado. Thanks for watching our videos. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And if there's anything that you would like to see us do, please leave a comment in the comment section and we'll see if we can do it for you. Thank you.